Hey everyone, welcome to another episode from Ampro Engineering. In this episode, we are going to steal some parts off of Kyosho to upgrade those tires. This is the part in question. This is the tire and rim from a Kyosho Scorpion, a car that I simply adore and may have to buy. We shall see. In the meantime, we've pilfered this wheel and tire and are going to put it on the Hornet. Now the front wheel and tire is easy. It's just a bearing change. The rear wheel and tire is different. As much as I want to take credit for this, this was not my idea. This was Shen Lanko's idea. Check out his YouTube channel. It is awesome. And he has also been kind enough to loan me a pair of rear rims and tires to get this done. Here is what you're going to need. This is a hub adapter that you will install on your Hornet in place of the standard one. One order comes with both, and you can see that they're attached in the middle. And we will now remove that little sprue, like so. And there it is. The next step, take off that back rim. All right, with the wheel and tire off, we are going to remove this hub, which apparently has been on there a while. Don't lose the roll pin. And you can see in the back of this here that it has the little roll pin slot. Just slot it right over the axle. Make sure that it goes all the way on, like that. What you have to do here is drill out the axle. The axle shaft is 5 millimeters on the Hornet. This one here is much smaller, so you'll need a 5 millimeter bit. Do not go with a 5 1/4 or 5.5 millimeter bit. You want a 5 millimeter bit because that is the correct size. Slot it on top, and I should have probably showed you this first. You see that this simply drops into those little ribs and is locked in place. Okay, get the Hornet back over here. Set it on. There you go. We will take our nut, and there it is. Okay, it's all in there, nice and factory-like. That is pretty slick, isn't it? I don't know, man. That's pretty awesome. It's that text. Why don't Tamiyas have bigger text like that? Well, that's it. Kind of a short one, I guess, but that is all we had to show you. A little bit of a sneak peek. Here's a Falcon with a number of prototype pieces. This is the Ampro prototype upper arm, shock tower, and lower arm. I'm going to do some knuckles next, because why not? But I wanted to show you very quickly the differences on the tower, which is very noticeable. The standard tower has these two ribs, one at the rear, one at the front. These are both broken, they're super glued in place. And when the car rolls over, naturally something will catch in here and apply far too much load and stress it and crack it. Well, the ones I made, they're solid at the top. Standard Tamiya shocks do fit, and again, I cannot confirm that every other shock manufacturer has shocks that fit these. What I can say is that the Tamiya shocks fit. So these will be coming out very soon. This is just a prototype, and I'm very excited about how this looks so far. I think this is going to be absolutely slick. Well, folks, thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for some more 3D printed parts. I've got a ton of stuff, including some upgrades for the Panda Pandemonium and the Sand Scorcher, the Blackfoot, Monster Beetle. There's so many things. There's so many things I'm doing. You can find me on Instagram and Facebook at Ampro Engineering on both. And before you take off, please check out the link in the end credits to the band Blue Pinto. They allow me to use their songs in my video. And we will see you all next time.